Alright, I've been having this problem ever since I put this other transmission in. And it's making this noise. Here, I'll let you hear it because I gotta go to an interview anyway. Now, when the clutch is in, you don't hear anything. But when I release the clutch, you hear that? The RPM's level out for a second. But listen. I don't know what it is. Someone's told me it's a pocket bearing. Someone else told me it's a input shaft bearing. Clutch in. And see, I can shift through the gears and it doesn't make that noise. But when I release the clutch, I'm not exactly sure what it is. If someone could please tell me what that is, that would be most grateful.